Happy Monday, everyone. The bell has just rung on a very tense session here on the ASX. We are officially on Judgment Day Eve ahead of tomorrow's RBA meeting, and the market clearly has the jitters. The ASX 200 closed down 34 points, or 0.39%, to finish at 8,583.4. We saw a late afternoon fade as investors de-risked. Nobody wants to be over-leveraged when Michelle Bullock has the podium tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. We're trapped in a classic war inflation loop, and today the sellers definitely had the upper hand. Why the heavy mood? It's the data. Over the weekend, the IMF warned that energy-driven inflation is now the biggest threat to the global soft landing, and we're feeling it here. CBA, NAB, and ANZ are now all in agreement. They expect the RBA to hike rates tomorrow by 25 basis points to 4.10%. Why? Because Brent crude is now trading above $105 a barrel. President Trump spent the morning calling on allies to help secure the Strait of Hormuz, while Iran's foreign minister doubled down, saying they aren't ready for a ceasefire. As long as that choke point stays blocked, inflation is a sticky nightmare for the RBA. The futures market is now pricing in a 68% chance of a hike tomorrow, up from almost zero just 3 weeks ago. Looking at the sectors, there was really only one place to hide today: energy. The energy survivors. If you weren't in energy, you weren't in the green. Woodside and Santos were the only heavyweights keeping the index from a triple-digit loss. Karoon Energy was actually a standout, rallying near 5% today on upgraded production guidance for its Brazilian assets. In this environment, oil is king. The mining anchor, it was a different story for the big miners. BHP and Rio Tinto both slid between 1% and 2%. Iron ore is struggling to hold $100 as the month-long contract dispute with China continues to drag on. The gold disconnect. Gold miners like Northern Star fell again today, down over 5%. It's the same story we've seen all week. Even with gold at $5,000, the soaring cost of diesel and logistics is making it harder for these guys to turn a profit. Bottom line, today was a defensive crawl. Tomorrow is the main event. My advice for the next 24 hours: watch the 8,500 level. If the RBA is more hawkish than expected, that's our next stop. Keep your eyes on the oil charts tonight. If Brent pushes toward $110, all bets are off. I'll be live right after the RBA decision tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. to break down what it means for your mortgage and your stocks. See you then.